In this video, I'm going to model how to use the area model to multiply multi-digit numbers. So we have the problem 457 times 32. The first thing I'm going to do is estimate so I can compare my answer to my estimate to make sure it's reasonable. So I'm going to round 457, can round that to 500, and I'm going to round 32 to 30. So I can multiply my non-zero digits. 5 times 3 is 15, and then I can count how many powers of 10 I have, which is 3. So my estimate is about 15,000. So now I'm going to set up my board to create my area model to multiply a 3-digit number times a 2-digit number. So I'm going to break up 457 into its place value, so 400 plus 50 plus 7. And then I'm going to break up 32 into 30 plus 2. And now I'm going to multiply each of these place values to get my partial products in each of these sections. So in this section I would do 400 times 30. And so 4 times 3 is 12, and I have 3 powers of 10, so that gives me 12,000. In this one I would do 50 times 30. 5 times 3 is 15, and then I have 2 zeros, so that's 1,500. And then I have 30 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. 1 power of 10, 210. And then down for my bottom row, I'm going to multiply 400 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8, and I have 2 zeros. For this section, I have 50 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10, and I have 1 power of 10 for a 0 there. And then in this section, I'm going to do 7 times 2, which gives me 14. So for this particular problem, I have 6 partial products. So I need to now add these partial products up to get my total product for this problem. So over here to the side, I'm just going to do 3 at a time because sometimes it's easy to make a mistake if you're adding up too many numbers at once. So I'm going to do these first 3. So I get 13,710, and now I have over here 800 plus 100 is 900 plus 14 is 14. So that was one that I could do mentally. And then I'm going to add these two together, and I get 14,624. So that would be my final answer. And whenever I compare it to my estimate, that's a pretty reasonable answer. So this demonstrates for you the area model strategy.